Hello, fantastic coders. Welcome back to Kredict. I am Krishna Sharma, and today we are delving into a crucial aspect of HTML. HTML semantic and non-semantic tags. Understanding this tags is like having a secret code to organize and structure your content effectively. Let's dive right in. So first is semantic tags. Let's start with the architecture of meaning semantic tags. So what is the semantic meaning? Meaning of semantic is like a anything with a meaning. So you can say that a semantic tag is also known as meaning tags. These tags give structure and context to your content, making it more meaningful both browser and for developer. So let's see the example because I think with the example you will understand the better. So let's copy it and paste it our HTML boilerplate. So first is our header. So for the heading we use header, and for article we are using the article tag. In the article tag we have the subheading, this h2 and a paragraph. And for a site, if you have the site tab in your website, you use the site article for the site tab. And if you have the footer in your website, you use footer with a paragraph. Just see in this browser, just go live it. So you can see this is our heading, and this is our article, this is site tag, and this is our footer. I hope you understand. So our next is non-semantic tag. Now let's shift to gear and talk about the work heroes of displaying non-semantic tags. While they don't carry inherent meaning, they play a crucial role in formatting and styling your content. So, if the semantic tag is important, then non-semantic tag is also a very important example of non-semantic tags. So we have this div and span tags with non-semantic tag. Just this is same for developer to use semantic and non-semantic, but for SEO we use semantic most of the times, and for just knowing the where the which article we use semantic tag. So we have in this div with class container and span with style color red. So just use this. So I don't want to confuse you with style and class, because in the previous video I never taught you how what is class and style, but in the coming video we will talk with a class, because this is a CSS part and I am covering only the HTML in this video. So just see this is our div tag and this is span tag with our styling. Okay, I hope you understand. So this is very important thing when to use semantic versus non-semantic tags. But when do you use semantic tags and when do you opt for non-semantic ones? Let's break it down. Semantic tags are you go for structuring content with meaning, enhancing accessibility and SEO. On the other hand, the non-semantic tags are styling tool perfect for creating layouts and visual elements. So this is a comparison of semantic and non-semantic tag. Just take this. So this is our semantic tag with article, and this is our div tag in which we are going to use style, and we have a paragraph. Just see this. This is our semantic, and this is our non-semantic with styling. Okay, I hope you understand. So our next is best practices for semantic tag. As you venture into the world of semantic HTML, here are some best practices. Use header for introductory content, article for standalone content, a site for supplementary materials, and footer for closing remarks. As you all know, these tags not only organize your content but also make it more accessible and user friendly. Let's put it all together. Now let's put our knowledge into action. We will create a simple web page using a mix of semantic and non-semantic tags, striking this perfect balance between meaning and style. So we have the example of web page with both semantic and non-semantic tags. Just take this. So in this we have, first is header tag, second is article tag, and a site tag, and we have the footer. Just go and see this. So we have this header, article, aside, and footer. You can also do this. I encourage you to open your text editor and experiment with semantic and non-semantic tags. Apply them to your content, strike the right balance, and see how it impacts the structure and style your web page. Happy coding! Fantastic jobs, you have just unlocked the secret of semantic and non-semantic HTML tags. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kredict, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more coding adventure. Until next time, happy coding, and I will see you in our next video.